Good morning, student. MCQs on the topic differentiation is continue. Now, question number 9. If x equal to e power y plus e power y plus e power y and so on, this is up to infinity, then find the value of dy over dx. So here, x equal to e power y e plus e power y plus and so on till infinity. So we can write x equal to e power y plus x. Now taking log both sides, so log x equal to y plus x and log e to the base e is 1. We are taking the log to the base e. Now derivative of x is 1. Log x is 1 upon x is equal to their derivative of y is dy over dx plus 1, and this is 1. Log e to the base e is 1. Then dy over dx is 1 upon x minus 1. It is 1 minus x upon x. So, B option is correct here. Now, question number 10. If x is measured in degrees, then d over dx of cos x is equal to what? So, here let y equal to cos x degree. So we will write y equal to cos degree can be written as pi x upon 180. Now we will find dy over dx. So it is there. We will apply the chain rule here, and derivative of cos x is minus sine. So minus sine pi x upon 180. This is let t into d over dx of pi x upon 180. Then it is minus sine pi x upon 180 degree into it is pi upon 180, and derivative of x is 1. So answer is minus pi upon 180 into sine pi x upon 180, and this again x degree. So result is minus pi upon 180 sine of x degree. So C option is correct here. Then question number 11. If fx equal to log of log x to the base e, then f dash e is equal to what? So we will find f dash x. We will apply the chain rule. Let it is t. So it is 1 upon log x base e. Then derivative of this part d over dx of log x base e. It is 1 upon log x base e into 1 by x. Now x equal to e. So f dash e equal to 1 upon log e to the base e into 1 upon e. Since it is 1, so it is 1 into 1 upon e. So result is 1 upon e, and it is e inverse. Therefore, A option is correct. Student, now question number 12. The derivative of cos cube x with respect to sin cube x is what? Let u equal to cos cube x and v equal to sin cube x. Then du over dv is du over dx upon dv over dx. So its derivative is 3 cos square x into minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x upon 3 sin square x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So here 3 cancel, 1 cos x and then sin x. Then it is minus cos x upon sin x, which is cot x minus cot x. And A option is correct. Next, question number 13. If y equal to tan inverse root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x, then the value of dy over dx at pi by 6 is what? So here y equal to tan inverse. This can be written as 1 means cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon, say, it is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. It is tan inverse. That make a formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Same as denominator, make a formula cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Then this square will cancel out root. So it is tan inverse. It is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now we will divide numerator and denominator of this term by cos x by 2. Then it is tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. There is again a formula tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b is make a formula y equal to tan inverse. It is tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Here inverse cancel. So y equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2 and dy over dx is minus half. And A option is correct. Now next is question 14. If y equal to log sin x square, here x is less than pi by 2, greater than 0, then dy over dx at x equal to root pi upon 2 is what? So to differentiate this, we will apply the chain rule. So derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So therefore it is 1 upon sin x square. Then d over dx of sin is cos x square. Then derivative of x square is 2x. So it is 2x into cot x square. Since x equal to root pi by 2, so it is 2 into root pi upon 2 into cot, it is pi, root pi square is pi by 4 and cot pi by 4 is 1. So 2 cancel. So root pi into 1 equal to root pi. And D option is correct here. Next is question number 15. If x equal to 2at upon 1 plus t cube and y equal to 2a t square upon 1 plus t cube whole square, then dy over dx is what? So we can write y equal to 2a and t upon 1 plus t cube whole square. and value of t upon 1 plus t cube is x upon 2a. So it is 2a into x upon 2a whole square, and it is 2a into x square upon 2a whole square. This is cancelled. Then dy over dx is 1 upon 2a and derivative of x square is 2x. So here 2 cancel and result is x upon a. Therefore, C option is correct here. Student, this way the topic MCQ on continuity and differentiation is completed.